In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute any part of your video on DaVinci Resolve if you've ever captured a perfect take with one small audio hiccup. This quick method will let you silence just the problem area while keeping the rest of your edit untouched and sounding great. Start by opening DaVinci Resolve and heading to the Edit page, the workspace with the full timeline view along the bottom. Make sure the clip you want to adjust is on the timeline and that you can clearly see its audio waveform. If it helps, increase the track height so those peaks and valleys are easier to read, and enable snapping so your cuts land precisely on the playhead. Now isolate the unwanted sound. Choose the blade tool by clicking the razor icon or pressing B. Park the playhead at the exact frame where the noise begins and click once to cut, then move to where it ends and click again. Zoom in for accuracy so you only affect what you intend. If you make a cut in the wrong spot, don't worry, just undo and try again. If your audio is linked to the video, Resolve will split both at those points. That's normal and won't harm the edit because we're only going to change the audio properties. Switch back to the selection tool by clicking the arrow icon or pressing A, then click the newly separated segment. Double check that you've selected the audio portion you want to mute. If you see both video and audio selected, click directly on the audio track to focus your selection there. Open the inspector panel in the top right corner. If it isn't visible, toggle it on. Inside the inspector, move to the audio section so the controls apply to this selected segment only. This is where you'll make the mute happen. Drag the volume slider all the way to the left. You'll see the level value drop as you go. Fully left effectively silences that segment. Play through the edit to confirm the unwanted sound is gone while everything before and after remains unchanged. If the transition feels abrupt, nudge your cuts to quieter points in the waveform or add tiny fades at the edges for a smoother result. That's all there is to it. You've muted a specific portion without affecting the rest of your timeline. To handle additional problem spots, repeat the same cut, select, inspect, and mute process. When you're done, leave the selection tool active so you don't make accidental cuts and save your project.